नोवेल्स ऑफ मैनर्स में आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आ रहा हूँ जैन ऑस्टिन। जैन ऑस्टिन जिनका जन्म 1775 ईस्वी में हुआ था एंड इनकी मृत्यु 1817 ईस्वी में हुई थी। इंग्लिश नॉवेलिस्ट जैन ऑस्टिन वॉज बॉर्न एट स्टेवेंटन रेक्ट्री इन हैम्पशायर, इंग्लैंड in 1775. Austen was largely self-educated. She had access to her father's large library and learned whatever she could from her father and brothers. Theatricals also constituted a part of Austen's education. From the age of 13, Austen's family and close friends staged a series of plays, including Richard Sheridan's The Rivals and David Garrick's Bonton. Literary career works देखेंगे. It was around 1787 that Austen started writing poems and stories. She wrote a dark, satirical comedy, Love and Friendship, which parodied romantic fiction and the history of England, parody of historical writings. Austen also started writing some of the future major works, the first called Eleanor and Marinon. Another story told as a series of letters, which was eventually published as Sense and Sensibility. Sense and Sensibility, very important this is. After her brief romance with Lafreniere, Austen began work on a second novel called First Impressions, which would later become Pride and Prejudice. In the 7.5 years that she lived in the beautiful cottage in Southampton, Austen revised Sense and Sensibility and Pride and Prejudice and published them, embarking on a period of intense productivity. Mansfield Park appeared in the 1814, followed by Emma in 1816. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट किताब है एम्मा और मैंसफील्ड पार्क ऑल्सो. None of the books published in Austen's lifetime had her name on them. They were described as being written by B. Aledy. In the later years, Austen contracted Addison's disease, a tubercular disease of the kidneys. Despite her illness, Austen continued to work on her writings, revised the ending to The Iliads, later published as Persuasions, and started working on Shandition. She died on 8th July 1817, leaving Shandition unfinished and was buried at the city's famous cathedral. Here is the short summary of Austen's major novels. देखते हैं सेंस एंड सेंसिबिलिटी में क्या लिखा उन्होंने. Austen's first published novel was only written in 1795 as an epistology novel in letters, entitled Eleanor and Marion. It is the story of her Dashwood sisters, Eleanor and Marion, and their love for Edward Ferrars and Call Brandon respectively. अब देखते हैं प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस के बारे में. Let's see. Originally titled First Impression because the appearances of the characters created the plot of the novel, Austen's second novel narrates the story of the Bennets and their 5 daughters, Jane, Elizabeth, Mary, Kitty, and Leda. The novel starts off with Mrs. Bennet's obsessive desire to get her daughters married. The focus of the story is on the change of emotions of Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy from repulsion to love. Next, देखते हैं Mansfield Park. This novel is centered Mansfield Park. This novel is centered on Fanny Price, the poor ward and niece of Sir Thomas and Lady Bertram. She is taken from her parents to be raised by her rich relatives and comes to Mansfield Park as a child of 9. It is a more socially aware novel than Austen's other works, focusing as it does on the slave trade and the roots of the British upper crust wealth in corruption and exploitations. Emma के बारे में देखते हैं. Before beginning this novel, Austen herself had written, I am going to take a heroine home no one but myself will, much like Emma Woodhouse. The heroine of the novel is described as rich, clever, and handsome, says Iris, who lives with her widowed father at the estate Hatfield and takes pride in her matchmaking skills. North Anger Away. It is also very important. It is a parody of a Gothic novel. The protagonist of the novel is Catherine Morland, an experienced country girl who has never left her home until taken to Bath for a 6-week visit by childless neighbors, Mr. and Mrs. Allen. While Catherine has read many novels, particularly Gothic novels, she is very experienced at reading new people. Her navigate about the world and about the motivation of the people she meets in an endless source of confusion and frustration for her. अब देखते हैं Persuasion. Austen's last completed novel is a representative mature work. It narrates the story of Anne Elliot, the overlooked middle daughter of the then Sir Walter Elliot, who breaks off an engagement with Frederick Benton because she was persuaded by her mother's great friend and her own trusted confidant, the widow Lady Russell. Lady Russell objects to match as Wentworth is a poor naval officer. However, several years later, the situation turns and Wentworth rises to affluence. The novel ends with Anne and Captain Wentworth getting married. So this is very important. Next thing in the next video I will bring for you. Till then, thank you.